Everyone. So sometimes we found a issue that the destination folder already exists when we are going to install a new plugin. But when we are going back to the installed plugin page, we don't found the plugin. That means the plugin is not exist there. So here you see. So how we could fix the issue? So basically we have to know why the issue has happened here, because the plugin may be already installed and the file is corrupted. That's why when you are going to install this plugin again, you will find the destination folder already exist. So how you could fix the issue and install a fresh copy of the plugin? You have three ways. One way is you have to download the plugin and manually install it. That's one way. Another way is you have to go to file manager and delete the existing folder from there. And you have another way. Then you could use SFTP or FTP. Then do the same thing here. So let's see how we could find the corrupted file and delete it from there. So we could install WP file manager plugin, then activate. So you don't need to SFTP or FTP login credential to access your website files. So here you see the file manager option. So let's go there. After it opens, you will see all the available file appears here. So let's go to the WP content folder and go to the plugins folder. Here you see WP compress image optimizer folder already exists. So we will going to see the another way. That's why we are going to make this comment. So we could replicate the issue after a few minutes to try a different method to fix the issue. So you see this is done. So if we going back to the plugins page, we'll find the plugin is not exist as like the before. Let's go to add new, then search for the WP compress. So here is our plugin that we would like to install here. So you see it's installed, and if we click, it will be activated. If we going back to the installed plugin page, you will find the plugin there. So here is our plugin. So let's delete it, and then going back to the file manager plugin and comment out the corrupted folder that we just renamed it a few minutes ago. So let's remove the comment. So the old issue is back. So now going to do the manual thing. So let's go to the WordPress plugin directory and download the plugin manually. Then find the actual plugin and download it. Okay. Then go to the plugins, add new, and upload plugin. So let's select our plugins from there. Let's install now. You will find a pop-up message or confirmation that the system will going to replace the existing files. So you have to confirm. That's why they will delete the existing one and upload this, or just to replace the old one. So it will take just a few seconds to upload. It depends on the internet speed. Right now I am using mobile data, so it's taking a little bit more time. So you are found the same issue here. So here is the pop-up, but last time I was a little bit wrong, because whenever the file is corrupted, then WordPress cannot check the current version and the uploaded version. So it's not able to compare the version and then give you the option to replace. That's why you have to manually delete the files or folders from the file manager. But if the plugin is not corrupted, that means it's working fine, but you need to update to the greater version, then you could try the manual update process like this. So we are going to click on the replace with the current uploaded, then it will be replaced as expected. So now you could active the plugin and going forward to configure this. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next time.